This photo story will look at how to correctly use adverbs in English, language and literature. The first question you would ask is, well, what is an adverb? I don't know. An adverb is a word that can modify either a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, but cannot modify a noun. Adverbs typically answer the question of how, when, where, and by how much. Adverbs are typically formed by adding ly to adjectives. In this example, calm becomes calmly by adding ly to the word calm. Here are two examples in a sentence. That move was perfectly done. Another example is, you are an amazingly good goat handler. An interesting fact is that 99.4% of adverbs are an adjective with ly added to the end. Adverbs that do not end in ly often end in er or est. The example here is that tall becomes tallest by adding est to the word tall. Two examples shown in a sentence here are, the Pacific Ocean is the bluest on Earth. Also, the southern hemisphere is greener than the northern hemisphere. Another type of adverb is a comparative adverb, where you use words such as more, most, or less to highlight an adjective in a sentence. The example here shows, this is the most excited I have been to eat chocolate. The final type of adverb is a conjunctive adverb, which links two clauses. In this we use such words as furthermore, hence, thus, instead, otherwise, consequently. The example here is, I am vegetarian, hence I do not eat meat. A recap on what we have learned about adverbs. They typically answer the question of how, where, when, and by how much, by modifying a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. They are most commonly formed by adding ly, er, or est to adjectives. We also have comparative adverbs, which are when we use words such as more, most, and less, and they can be put in front of adjectives to highlight the adjective. We also have conjunctive adverbs, where we're joining two clauses together using words such as hence, thus, instead, otherwise, and consequently.